Hello everyone! Today I want to demonstrate how the English subtitles of my videos work. My videos are mostly in German, and because of that about a quarter of my viewers actually speak German, but it looks like the vast majority of the non-German speaking audience out there does not enable the English subtitle script I have added to all my videos. In order to get the most out of my videos, you should give it a try, and I'm going to show you how it works. Hallo allerseits, willkommen zur Bausatzbesprechung dieser Figur eines deutschen Soldaten aus der Zeit des Ersten Weltkriegs von Yellow House im Maßstab 1:35. You can activate the English subtitles by clicking on this little button in the right hand bottom corner of the video screen to enable the subtitle script. Diese Riesenfigur habe ich unlängst auf einer Modellbauausstellung von einem Händler gekauft. If, for some reason, you have difficulties to read the subtitles, you can easily adjust them in every conceivable way. You can change the font, the color of the font, even the size can be adjusted, which is useful if you watch my videos on a smartphone or a TV. The color of the backdrop can also be changed. You can pretty much customize the look of your subtitles in every way to get the most out of it. Here I have a couple of my most relevant videos where you can try it out. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video. Your Hamilkar Barkas.